channel. For Valentine's Day, I will be making for the easy bouquet style arrangement. First step, I like to take off all the leaves like this because we don't need this time. I can show you the face up or face down. Now this flower going to face down. You can see the side is more easy. So this is face up, this is face down. So please see that the face up and make starting to bouquet. So you just put in first of all triangle. So then starting to adding. So just going to the stem going to up and another up, so kind of spiraling. Once I made like this, I like to cut the stem is a certain length. So this time is bouquet, so just hold it, that is the line. So maybe I cutting for here. Then one rubber band you have to put in now one stem, then starting to make like this. So then just a hook, then they stay. Now I put in a coffee bean for the accent, but this is a little too much for the these fruits, so I want to cut a little bit small size like this. To put in any place you like, put in a coffee bean for the in between rows. Now bouquet is complete, so I'm going to finish the edge for the with ribbon. So I put in maybe 2-3 times, going to be like this. Now this is completely finished, but if you can put give to somebody you love, or you just give to yourself, another thing is you just have the container like this, and you put in that, and already really nice arrangement here. I made another one is the same concept I did, and I put in a white rose and a little small carnation I put in between. I made 2 different color and a little different type of the flower I choose today, but you can make whatever the color variation or flower choosing. So you can make like this and then just put in a centerpiece, or you can give it to your friends or whatever. Please enjoy yourself. So happy Valentine's Day!